What is going on, everyone? I'm Kevin with Robertson's Power and Sports. Today I wanted to share with you a build that the shop just wrapped up for a very good friend of mine, a 2022 Can-Am Commander Max XTP, loaded with accessories for the wintertime. I think he's going to be extremely impressed with how this machine came out. I know we are. But before we get a chance to dive into that, if you could please do me a favor and like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the support. Also, go ahead and hit that little alert button, the little bell. That way there you're alerted to future videos that we have coming out. Now that we've done that, let's check it out. All right, so here it is, like we talked about, a 2022 Can-Am Commander Max XTP, completely loaded. This thing here, as you can see, we've got the track system on it. This is the Apache 360 LT kit right from Can-Am. These tracks here do a great job. They're a great all-around track. Just want to take a minute to show you some of the accessories that we've added. I've gone ahead and put a small light bar right here on the front for added light at night. This machine does come standard with the LED headlights, which I think is a great feature. We've gone ahead and added these side view mirrors, and these are from Seismic. And the reason why we go with the Seismic ones over the Can-Am ones when we put these soft upper doors on is, the reason is, in order to take the doors on and off, you're going to have to take the mirrors off too. So this mirror just goes ahead and works much better with the soft upper doors. We've gone ahead and added the glass windshield from Can-Am with the wiper and washer kit. When you're going to be running these things in the winter time, you definitely want to have a wiper on there, and the glass setup is awesome from Can-Am. Really like that setup. Coming around the side here and moving to the back, we went ahead with a hard-coated rear plastic panel, help keep the heat in. And as you can see, we put a set of LED light pods up at the top for at nighttime. That way there, when the customer's backing up, they'll be able to see. This thing just sets up awesome. I mean, I can't tell you how high this thing sits. I mean, this is going to be an unbelievable machine for this customer here in the wintertime. We'll take a look inside. Got the heat going right now. As you can see, right in the dash, all your heater controls. This customer did also decide to put in the BRP audio system. It's all controlled right down here. It's a 4-speaker system. With 2 speakers up here in the front, one right here and one on the other side. And then also 2 in the back, one in that back corner, one in this back corner. Great sounding setup. I will tell you, we have put many of these systems in, and we just started adding the subwoofer to it, which the subwoofer goes right here in this this glove box. This machine doesn't have it installed, but it makes one heck of a difference with the sound quality just by adding that Can-Am subwoofer. So definitely something worth considering if you're thinking about putting a Can-Am complete audio system in either a Commander or a Maverick, Maverick Sport, I should say. Go ahead and put the overhead switch panel in. So this is how you control your wiper right here. And here's the switch for the light bar for the rear LEDs. And we went ahead and installed the switch for the front LED light bar right up here. So, what an awesome machine. Really happy with how this one came out. Can't wait to deliver it to the customer. But now that we actually have a little bit of snow on the ground, why don't we hop in this thing, take it for a ride around. Hey, everybody wants to know, what will these things do for max speed? Let's see if we can find it out. So I'm gonna hop in this, take you for a ride, and let's figure it all out. All right, so now we're inside. We're gonna take this thing for a ride through the field, see what it does. So let's go. All righty. We'll rip through the parking lot here. We'll be right out in the field. So we're gonna do a couple laps around the field. Get this thing warmed up a little bit. Do want to talk to you a little bit about the heat kit. This is a really nice system. It's got some vents up here in the front. That's going to help for your defrost on this window. Also these vents here, you can adjust them, turn them side to side. Really, really nice. And all your heat controls are right down here. Fan control and then temp control. This is a really nice machine all around for somebody that wants to be able to use their side-by-side, you know, basically year-round. And these things aren't cheap, so to be able to use these things, not only in the summer, but in the wintertime, you know, whether you're out trail riding or you're out on the lake doing some ice fishing, it's that much nicer to be able to have something that you can use year-round when you're spending this kind of money on these machines. So definitely consider a set of tracks. You know, you're gonna have to check with your local regulations as far as legalities. Some states that you can register these as a snowmobile. That way there you can take them out on the snowmobile trails, but you just have to refer, like I said, to your local state and regulations. That way there you have the, you get the right answer and you're not out doing something that you shouldn't be. So a set of tracks, roughly, just to buy the tracks, you know, with the mounts and stuff, you're at that $500 range, depending on which track kit that you get. But again, in my opinion, it's money well spent. So something to definitely consider if you have a machine. You know, if you want us to build you a machine set up with tracks, we can do that also. Just give us a call at the shop at 207-324-5502. Visit us online at robertsonspower.com, or go ahead and stop by the store. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, about this build in specific, or a build that you may want to do, definitely let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out and build a machine for you. So, had to put my seatbelt on. Machine won't let me go more than 11 miles an hour without it on. So, let's go ahead and see what this thing can do. Here we go. Alrighty. So as you can see, we got about 34 miles an hour out of it. It gets there pretty quick, considering this is a big, heavy machine. Keep in mind, for it to get up to that kind of speed in this short of a period of time here, this length of this field, it's pretty impressive. Notice it wasn't real noisy in the cab. You're going to get a little bit extra cab noise because these things are revving a little bit higher. Just to give you an idea, kind of a cruising speed here, where about almost 15 miles an hour, and you're right around 5,100 RPMs. So as far as noise goes, I think it's definitely manageable. I don't find that it's overly noisy inside this cab, especially with the new Commanders having a rear mounted engine. It's really not that big of a deal. So that should do it. One last lap around the field. Time to get back to work. So thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support. Again, you have any questions, give us a call. 207-324-5502. Until next time, take it easy.